Welcome to my review of the MelGeek O2 wireless mechanical keyboard. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply bringing you this review so that you can make an informed buying decision. I want to start by taking a look at the box. Really nice box, picture of the keyboard on the front, nice clear layout as we can see here. And on the side here it says O2. And then on the bottom here gives you a view of the base of the keyboard. We've got some magnetic sort of rubberized feet going on here, little rubber pads in the corners. It's a really nice piece of packaging. And then the keyboard itself, equally as impressive, and we'll take a closer look at this in a short while. Before we do that, I just want to show you the rest of the box contents. So first of all, we do get a little RF receiver. Now I haven't used this, I've been connecting this via Bluetooth, but this is in fact a triple mode keyboard, so it will connect either via Bluetooth, wired, or indeed via the little USB RF dongle here. We also get some alternative keycaps. Now if I go back to just quickly show you the keyboard, you'll see that this is a sort of macOS layout with the control, option and command here. If you use Windows, got some Windows keycaps inside this little pack here as well, so we can swap those out. So that's really nice to see as well. We also get some little cute stickers with the MelGeek logo on it. Love these, very, very cool. We also get this conformity guide, it's just got some information here about some regulatory information. So that's nice that they include that. We also get a USB-A to USB-C cable. Very nice. It's sort of like this milky off-white colour as well. Really do like the styling. We get a keycap puller as well for obviously changing out those keycaps to the Windows one if we need to. We get this sheet here. I think this is just an information sheet. Gives you some information about the company, little QR code to download some various documentation, no doubt. Then we get a quick start guide. So this is in a couple of languages. You can see here, if we go to this side, we've got the English language version. So we've got information about the ambient light indicator lights, the magnetic stand, the on-off switch, the various indicator lights for battery level, for example, and how to switch modes. And then we've also got some function and lighting settings as well. So that's really nice. Very nice sort of quick start guide included. Then of course, we've got the keyboard itself. This is so cool. Really do like the fact that this is nice and compact. I think it's a 65% keyboard, so it's a very nice compact keyboard. No numeric keypad, just takes up a lot less room on your desk. We've got home, end, page up and page down, and then the sort of up, down, left and right arrow keys are sort of pushed over and pushed into this corner. Really do like that. Nice space bar as well, it's nicely weighted. Very cool indeed. Escape key in the top left hand corner here where it belongs in this nice vibrant orange colour, and then the enter button highlighted here as well. And this has really got some nice specifications. So I mentioned before it's tri-mode, so it will connect via Bluetooth, RF, or indeed it will connect wired as well. So you can use that USB-C cable or indeed your own to connect it directly wired to your computer. And it supports, of course, macOS and Windows, which is really good. And you can really switch easily between those systems. We've also got an aluminium alloy top frame on here, a transparent PVC cover, which you can see around the perimeter and of course on the sides. And the switches inside are custom Kale sunlight switches. This is really good. They've got a nice vibrant coloured stem, but they're also smoother and softer typing. I think that's a good segue for me to give you a typing test on this as well, so you can see just how cool this is to type on and how quiet it is. It's a very dampened sound. These are nice low profile keys, but they've got a good responsiveness Really good for productivity. Tried a little bit of gaming on it. It's fine for gaming as well. It's not designed to be a gaming keyboard. I think this really should sit on a video editing desk or productivity desk. The fact that it works with macOS is really nice with the Mac keys on here, that you can switch out to Windows keys if you're using it on a Windows system. If we look at this from a side profile, it's very, very narrow indeed. Really done a great job on this. Take a look from here. Again, very, very nice looking keyboard. So when we look at the underside of the keyboard, you'll see this really nice contrasting design again. A nice sort of milky white finish just here. Little orange rubber pips and blue rubber pips up the top here for the feet. And then we've got these pieces here, and it says lift on them. So they're in place and they're nice and flat, but we can push down, lift these up, and then we can transfer them to the side here. So now this is sort of raising the keyboard up a little bit more, you can see, because they're out of that indentation. So it's a nice way of integrating some feet onto here that will help you raise and lower the angle of the keyboard. I think that's a really nice way of doing it. And then if we take a look whilst we're on the sort of back and the underside, on this back side here we have got a little switch in the middle position. It is for wired, so you would connect it via USB-C. And then we can switch to either RF or Bluetooth mode using that little switch on the corner there. It's really nicely thought out, such a nice design, and just really well implemented. So I've now turned my studio lights off and I want to turn this on. So I'm just going to switch this into Bluetooth mode, and you'll see the really nice backlight come on. There are also lights on the side as well, which is really cool. I think that with the backlights on, just adds a whole new dimension to this, because we've got this sort of translucent piece around the side and then the really even backlighting. I think it just looks so cool. If you're using this for sort of late night productivity sessions, having that backlight there is really useful, and it's just such a nice looking backlight. I think they've done again a brilliant job on this. So what do I actually think of this keyboard? Well, I'm rather enamoured with it. It's worked exceptionally well for me. I think that the backlight's a nice touch, low profile keys are brilliant, the typing action is exceptional, nice and quiet but very responsive at the same time. And I also mentioned in my reviews about the transition time from my regular keyboard to a new one. And with this, it was one of the shortest transitions I've had. Within sort of 5 minutes, I was making no mistakes typing. Brilliant spacing, nice clear markings, very comfortable typing angle. Love the way they've done the magnetic feet that I showed you on the bottom. It's just an excellent keyboard all round. The quality is absolutely top notch. This is the MelGeek O2, and for macOS users or Windows users, I can highly recommend it. If you want to purchase one of these for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. And as always, please do hit like on this video and subscribe. It really does help the channel out. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.